What's up guys, Andre here, bringing you a quick update about a rumor that is going around that Nintendo has a Wii U game in development that hasn't yet been announced. So this comes to us from Emily Rogers on Twitter, who apparently, along with Nintendo Life contributor Liam Robertson, as well as Shocking Alberto and NeoGaf, have heard reports from 4 or 5 different sources that Nintendo has an unannounced game in development for the Wii U. And to clarify, it's not a third-party game, it's actually being produced by Nintendo themselves, according to the rumor. And Emily claims to have seen a lot of evidence supporting this idea. In fact, there's apparently so much to this rumor that they're going to be spending the weekend going over the evidence before talking more about it on Monday. And that covers everything that Emily said about it so far, but at least it won't be too much longer before we find out more about the supposed game. But what do you guys think? Do you have any ideas as to what secret game Nintendo might have in development? And with that, thanks for watching. Of course, keep an eye on GameXplain for more on Nintendo and other things gaming as well. Catch you later. Bye.